ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just what we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Good morning! Kamusta yung mga puso nyo kahapon, mga Z's? Tapos na yung araw ng mga puso. Kamusta naman yung mga break-up today? Mali mo, di mo alam. Joke lang, guys. Good morning. Ang aga namin, ready na kami. Aalis na kami. May, sino to? Si Eileen. May gymnast, so sasama kami. Kasi yung mga boys, may pupuntahan din sila, live golf, di ba? Ito, very good to
PlayStation before, and then I told them
to go out
turn it off and it
and get ready. Yeah. Kainin lang muna natin to. Oh, baby. Bakit? Muscato? Oh. Ano ba ito? Ready na. I know, di ba? Ready na si Jan. Kuya, can you get this one, please? Put at the back. The bag. See you. Enjoy. Okay, alis na kami, guys. Hi! Nag-white noise. Na kami kung saan mag-gym na si Isla.
out now. Wait.
Oh, good. Dong. All good? Dong. It's good? Tapos na pala, guys, yung gymnast ni Isla. Dito na kami sa car. The-drop off namin yung mga bata kila Sharon para magkaroon kami. Hindi naman meeting kasi as time with Indy. May mga errands kasi siyang bibilhin.
On the floor.
Meron siyang bibilhin for Danny boy.
And Baba on the floor.
There's vomit on the floor.
Paano nangyari yan? Tulog ang Zook. Uy, grabe si Zook. Si Zook talagang the best.
There's actually. Ate Holly, are you okay there, Ate?
Yeah.
The seat is not hitting you?
No.
Okay.
We going.
Oh yeah.
Then see you,
I don't
Holly.
know how Tito Dan did it before.
Dito na kami sa bahay. Ay, hindi pa. Sarap pa ng bahay ni Sharon. So, i-drop off namin silang lahat, pati si Ate Holly. Si Indy lang may iwan sa amin. Right, Baba? Yes. You're staying with them. Oh, are you okay, Holly?
Get out here. I'm
Okay. Is that alright for mommy? Do you do that before?
No.
Okay.
I turn on.
Careful. Yep. Well done, ate. Ano? Return? Ay! Dito na pala kami sa T3 Plaza, guys. And pumasok kami dito sa Lorna Jane. And Indy. Hello, Indy. Tingin-tingin lang tayo. Tingin-tingin lang. Hi. Ang cute ang bata. Tingnan mo yung gimbal ko. Ano nangyayari sa'yo?
Doesn't matter what I do, she's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing.
Punta tayo ng Mecca. Tapos na tayo doon sa kabila. Dito naman tayo. Sa kabila. Sa Lorna Jane. Okay. Bakit nagaganito ang ang gimbal?
Ano mo lang, double press, babalik siya sa center.
Dito naman tayo sa Meyer. Dito tayo sa mga pabango. Ito yung pabango ni Heart. And, ayan, yung Mugler. Si Jen, naubos na yung perfume niya. Yan yung kay Jen na perfume eh. Pero i-try daw namin amoyin yung YSO kasi sabi ni Sisi mabango daw.
Who's it for?
for my husband.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
Naghahanap ako ng food.
So this is the new one. This is the yellow one.
Okay.
Air-
Magla-lunch kami dito sa Jarn Leva. Vietnamese to guys. Hi! Dito. Dito tayo. Paano ba to? Hindi talaga ako nakakaano nito. Dito na lang ako. Dito kayo dalawa.
You want to talk to baby? Ayan, dyan na lang. Dito ako.
Baby.
The crab is there.
Oh, thank you. Thanks.
Ito pala siya, oh. Kain tayo ng lunch. Ito yung order namin. Barramundi and pho. Tapos mayroon, ito lang, di ba? Kasi ang dami na nito.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Ano? 40 minutes na lang ito. Ano? Tight. Haba mo? Haba niya? Pero kung minsan mamalayang 18 na pala. Asan ba yung ito? Kain guys.
Yung chili oil, hoisin sauce ata yan.
Hindi, yung isa, sriracha.
Hindi. Ano yan? Hoisin para sa ano? Bago ko naman yung si Kuya. Huwag mo na tawagin. Sabi na nga kung ano pa kailangan niya. Ayun, may tatawagan. Allah. Ang tabiga. Sarap. Yan nga kaya nga. Ano to? Kape? Yeah, ano? Yung tamarind sauce. Sarap. Sarap yan. Tamarind sauce sawa? Yeah.
Para naman yung buko. Ayaw niya talaga. Sorry no. Ay, hindi ko, alam mo ba? Hindi ko pa nalalagay. Lagay muna natin.
Pwede, hindi pa dagdag ng sabaw eh.
Ha? Pwede? Sabi niya kayo, ako mahimik kayo. Tikman natin yung sauce. Ito yung sauce, di ba? Yung tamarind sauce.
Yan, masarap, no?
Kasi may coriander. Alam niyo, ang coriander niya nakakapaad dyan ng sauce.
Okay lang ako sa coriander sa sauce, pero yung sauce sa ano, sandwich ayoko. Tama? Yeah. Okay lang sa sauce, hindi mo malasa.
At tayo. Wala, galit-galit na hindi natutusok.
Sarap. Sarap.
Masarap na ba naman?
Para naman dito, hindi ko ko yung ano. Roses ka.
Tapos na pala kami and ay binupol. Tinitingnan mo pala ako. Tapos na pala kami guys, sobrang sarap. Ubos. Walang sayang. Eto lang kasi walang masyadong sabaw. Pero yan, the best. Pero hindi ko nakain yung kanin. Ito oh, master. Favorite niya talaga ang rice.
Hindi, chika minute kami. Chika minute.
Yeah, see it. Yep. Pick up na pala namin yung mga bata at nakabalik na tayo dito sa bahay nila Reyes. Oo, pero alis ulit kami. Mag-coco kami guys. Tingnan niyo yung aking camera, yung gimbal. Sinusundan niya ako. Okay, alis kami kasi mag-coco kami. Ako na. Dami.
See, Baba. Hey. Okay, what's your other one? Oops. This is baby. You. Don't feel it. Don't.
Nag-stretching yung isa, yung ating gymnast. Andun yung tumbler ko. Yeah, yes, baby, we're going. Ito si Indy. Putol-putol ang tulog niya. What are you doing?
We can go ice cream.
Ice cream. So, yan parang OOT din natin. And eto, hiniram ko kay Sisi Raish yung kanyang denim jacket kasi medyo malamig. Wala akong dalang jacket. Tapos yung ating suot na dress. Yes, baby? Yeah, from Asus to, guys. Ayan. Okay, what's that? Okay, coconut tayo. Dito na tayo. Di ba ang taas? Ay, may upuan tayo dito, guys. Naka-order na tayo. Upo tayo dito. Nandiyan na yung dalawang bata. Buti na lang hindi masyadong busy. Last time, pero matagal na yun, medyo busy dito. Kaya pa, sis? Look at Mari Baba. Ano pa rin si Sisi? Kinukuha niya si Indy. Yes, just be careful, okay?
Undo it.
Kaya na sila. Finally. Ang tagal niyo, sis. Sabi ko, ang tagal niyo. Yung okay.
Tinulungan pa ako.
Na siya, oh.
Naka-film ka ba?
So, actually, the green one is on top. See that one? The green one is on.
Careful, Ayla, ha?
Baba, careful.
Ate, Ayla, careful.
Can you
You're
sit
sitting
down?
on the edge.
Ay! Dito na yung aming, open?
Oh,
It's not mine.
Yeah.
Why is it not snow?
Oh, because there's no small.
Undo it.
You're welcome, baby.
Undo it.
Oh, you wanna do it? Sure.
Uy, hindi marunong yan.
Hayaan mo na. Like this. Here, Baba. Baba, wait. Hold here. Higher. Okay, then. Alright, 1, 2. Wait. 1, 2.
Yeah!
Oh, try. Good? Oh. No. Yummy, no? You like it? Hala. Okay lang, oh.
May bowl na. Sige, ayun.
Wala na. Yucky. You don't like it. Make pieces. I don't want to.
I love to.
Milk tea.
Share with Ayla.
Go with Ate share because that one is no mango. No, there's the balls but not the other one.
Yung mom's already.
I have a
Share with Ate. Doon kayo sa cage.
Pwede nang sana mag-Uber Eats.
Mahal mo ng ano. Pwede
Ang
naman
mahal
sa
na. Ano, delivery, may service fee pa.
$10.
Drive na lang kami. Dala-dalang buong angkan.
Kapit pa sila.
Buti, yeah, buti. Tulog naman yung isa.
Or may ice cream sila doon.
Meron?
Ano kaya ang tinitinda doon?
Hindi yan ice cream. Uy,
Ano yan?
parang ano, yung mga pop mart pop.
Dito pala kami sa Kapag Game. Katabi lang ng Coco. Wala naman kaming gold coins.
Mom, do you know the goes in the bag?
Wala nga tayong gold coins. Ang sarap sa mata ng mga kakulayan. Ano? Ah.
Give me a reason to get out of bed. I need a minute to think, or maybe two. 'Cause yesterday I lost control and said some things I felt that you should know. I need a day to clear my mind and leave it all behind. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. I let my worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. I keep repeating the same mistakes. I did them all before, in every shape. There's a million ways to mess things up, and I need some time to figure out what to say and make our troubles disappear. Oh, tomorrow's near. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. Let all our worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Tomorrow I will set things straight. Tomorrow's gonna be okay. Let all my troubles go away. Tomorrow it's gonna be okay. No matter come what may, I'm gonna set things straight. Tomorrow, let all our worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight.
Dito na pa kami sa bahay nila. And ang tagal nito mag-on, so hindi namin na-capture yung pagpasok ng bahay.
Guys, gorgeous!
Latina!
Latina
Muñeca!
Muñeca!
Muñeca! Hi, baby. Yung gymnastic namin, nasaan na siya? Andun, nagkape. Hi! ang lalamya ng mga tao. Oy, ano ba yan? Hi!
Yeah, I saw you. I saw her taking on TV.
Wow. Kung makaano man yun.
But I never seen.
Oh, ito naman, talent, no? Talented yung Latina, monyeta. Daw na kailan ka ng Oreo, may pupuntahan pa tayong dinner. Hi, how is it?
Gorgeous talaga.
It's all. Tingnan mo mga bata, it's alright. Oh, thank you. Pinablog ko siya sa kahit konti. Oh, thank you. Saan ng gorgeous. Ay.
Asan yung kasi yung gorgeous na asawa eh?
Hindi nga na kung paano na to ka-tired. Oh, pagod na pagod ng life niya. Super pagod, nakakapagod. Oy, Day! Okay ka lang?
Ay, gorgeous!
Si Gorgeous Latina. Ay, aabot pa ba to sa dinner tong clips ko, be? Yung ating memory? Ha?
Asan yung asawa?
Saan naman?
Sinamahan naman yung asawa mo.
Hawan si Zach. Zach, thank you for the clip.
Latina.
Latina. Who gave you that? Who gave you that? Tito Jan? Dazalarin? Tito Jan?
What do you say to Sito?
Thank you.
Thank you. May pasnig si Tito Jan. Oh, yeah. At least you're not sunburned, Danny boy.
No, it's good.
No, that's good. How are you? Sore? Yan na siya, oh. Ayan yung ano niya. Ayan yung tambod ni Jan, no? Nung nanood sila ng lead golf. It matches to your clothes, babe.
I know, that's what I was thinking.
Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, bibilang ko siya ng perfume. Buti hindi ako bumili kasi, tingnan nyo. Bumili na si Jan. And meron din si Dan. So, para yung perfume nilang dalawa. Yung Armani. Yung Gio. So, kung bumili ako madodoble. So, mabango rin yung YSL. Pero feeling ko hindi niya rin magugustuhan kasi si Jan, ano siya eh. Stick to one talaga siya. Kung may gusto siya, yun lang talaga forever. Kaya stick to one. Magiging stick na siya sa akin, char.
Where's Jack? I'm
I made this for Veronica.
Yan.
Try that out, please.
Gumagawa sila ng bracelet. Kasi kikitain namin mamaya sila, Veronica, magdi-dinner kami sa Watermark.
Yeah. Can you tie this up for me, please?
Yeah. So, ginawa niya ng may...
Clear.
Where's the name?
I couldn't spell it because there's other little ones.
It's
like,
too small? Okay. Pangalan sa yung lalagay. Where's Arlo? Hello, Arlo. I can't. Where's Arlo? Okay. Okay. And then, eto, ginawa ko siya ng sing-sing. How's your ring, Baba? Good. Ayan yung pinagawa niyang sing-sing. Siya po ang Julina ng Australia po to. Okay, mayroon naman siyang gustong gawin. Bracelet naman, okay. I can smell you. Ayan na yung outfit niya. Yan yung binili niyang kahapon. Diba? Lumayas. Di man lang natin nakuna ng maayos. Ready na siya. Ito, nag-change na rin siya.
I'm still wearing the same top on this.
Yeah. And ito yung bracelet na gawa ni Ayla. Ako lang nagtali. And
This is
ito
for
yung
me.
kay
That's for
Holly.
Veronica.
Nag-try sana ako mag-edit. Hindi ko natapos kasi nga, tinutulungan ko sila gumawa ng bracelet. Ang hirap pa naman itali yung rubber. Kasi pumupugtas, ano ba yun? Natatanggal siya pag binuhol-buhol mo. Bigla siya na,
Yes.
Look,
look mo daw siya ka. Nagsapatos pala siya, oh. Ayan yung kanya.
Look cool.
oh, boogies.
Is my shoes in the car?
Not cool.
Hey. Wait, let me smell you. So good. That. Is my shoes in the car?
Yeah.
What do you think of Daddy's outfit?
Not that bad.
No, not bad.
Good.
Oh, sus, nag-ano na sila ng perfume.
No, he's not wearing it.
Oh,
I don't want to smell
Is that
the
a new t-shirt?
No, it's not.
nagpe-perfume na rin kasi yung boys ko. Guys, si Sak, hindi niya dala yung perfume niya. Yung dala ni Kuya yung kanya. So, si Sak nakikihi-spray.
You're not.
What did you say?
He's not using it.
Why? Why?
Wait.
Why?
So, because I don't. He doesn't need to smell the same thing.
You don't want him to smell like you?
Yeah,
Wait, take that one.
You're brothers.
because Zach told me to. No,
You're not gonna wear your, naligo siya. Why are you wearing your the
I'm
same
just gonna
clothes?
wash my hair, Mom.
Wear your new one, Kuya.
later.
Okay. Ayan. Alis na naman kami. Alis na naman kasi si hindi nang walang maayos na tulog. Ngayon? Naka 1 hour ba siya? 1 hour. Pero tulog pa sana siya. Ayan, paalis na tayo, guys. Punta na tayo ng
Car's
Watermark.
that? Not yeah, you're good, because when I say is there a car, your first word's yeah. So that means there's a car coming. It's just good, go, clear.
Yeah.
Not yeah, good.
And si Sak, si Sak suot niya yung bago niyang damit. Same as Kuya. Ang ganda ng kakulayan ni Kuya. I like that color, Kuya. Yes. What's that?
Prime.
Oh. When did you get that one?
Well, said go get yourself a drink, not prime, and then he comes out prime.
You never said no.
Yes, I did so say don't get prime.
Kasi si Sak, pinagbabawalan namin siyang bumili ng Prime. Binilang ko lang siya nung last time na vlog ko yun kasi diba, yun yung pangako ko sa kanya kasi grabe yung tulong niya sa akin. Parang tagilid kayo. Parang mainit, pero mamaya kasi lalamig, mainit dito sa car. May araw, parang oras na ba? 6:50 na ng hapon. And yung dinner namin 7:30. Doon namin i-meet sila Kath and Lyra. So,
What if I bring John on it?
Joan, I'm not sure. I don't think so. Hindi na kasi nila nakikita. Si Lyra, never namin siya nakita since nung nagpinas kami. So, ang tagal na hindi namin siya nakita. So, ito yung first time na makikita namin si Lyra, if ever makakapunta siya. Kasi nung last time, ilang beses na ako pabalik-balik dito, hindi namin siya nami-meet. Kasi busy din siya sa life niya. Kaya, yeah, hopefully makita natin today si Lai. And speaking, ito yung regalo ko kay Lai. Hindi ko kasi alam na mag-ano kami, magti-tea trip lang. So, nagdala na ako ng regalo ko kay Lai. Kasi on diet ang sisi natin. So, dinalan ko siya ng coffee shake. And itong ganda tong bag, guys. Korean bag.
Zach.
Good. Here, Han.
I was gonna say, yeah, you good.
No,
Ayan.
you don't say yeah first.
Ayan, ang ganda nito.
Say good.
So, meron siyang 3 or 2 strap. Pwede siyang pang crossbody bag and kilikili bag. Ang ganyan. Ganyan, kilikili bag. Ganito. Yeah, like this. So, yan ang ating regalo kay Sisi Lai. Yeah. Hopefully, makita natin siya. Dito tayo nakapark sila, Race. Umikot sila. Where? That's not them, Sak. Okay, let's go. Ayan yung suot ni Saka. Zachary. Gusto ko yung kulay ni Kuya talaga. Yeah, let me see your
360.
t-shirt. Size 16, right? Yeah?
Right, yeah, me.
Okay, let's go.
No, Kathy's car.
I'm not sure. Ah, yeah.
Yes, that's to Kathy's car. What is it here?
Yeah. Dito na sila. Nasa loob na siguro sila ka. Ayan, diyan kayo nakapark sa labas. Busy siya eh. Yung lamig na lamig ako, pero ang sisi ko, tingnan nyo. Ang tibay ng kanyang balat. Ang hangin kaya malang. Si Kuya nga naghahanap ng jacket.
Oh yeah, wala sila jacket.
Meron sa car.
I didn't bring it from.
Ayan si Kuya, nilalamig. Tagal na natin hindi nakakain dito. Ito yung first kain natin dito for this year.
Yeah.
Come on down. Ay! Lumilipad ang aking dito. Ay! Saan ka? Patay na sa Gold Coast. Char.
Hala, ang bilas yun.
Oh no. The line up. Ah, yeah, because the first 7:30, di ba? Dong! Dong! Kuya Sak! Si Sak gutom na sabi niya, I'm gonna get this and this and this. Dong, go with ate, Arlo. Hindi ito si Ayla, oh. Ano ka ba? Feel lang. Si Jan could follow the line. Ito na si line. Happy birthday, Day.
Sana order ko talaga. How are you, Manay?
Good.
Mas nauna ito nakikita.
Hi, Tom. It's been 2 years.
Feels like it.
Ano oras kayo pumunta? No, sila. Ito na lang. Nauna sila, Kat. Ayun na. Elijah. Oh, ano na sila? Mag-order ba tayong drink? Drink? Yeah.
I'm going to like
Ako, di ba?
that bubble.
Sige ka.
Wala ng food. Just wait for Daddy. Sila, go get your food there with Daddy. Ayan, she's done.
I have to push in everyone.
You have-
These people just cut me off. I push in front of them.
Ikaw na talaga nag-push. Sak, do you have rice? Gutom na sila. Tingnan niyo, pareho sila. Wala lang siyang nuggets.
Look how much squeeze that gave me.
This is the chicken, honey soy chicken.
These white things good for you.
Yeah. Plum. Is it good? Plum chicken. Kuha na tayo ng food, guys. Ayan yung mga food. Dessert pala to. Fried rice, noodles. You don't want it? Okay. Ano yan, Ray? Wala na. Kaya nga, kahit isa lang. Is that your second round? Third. Wow. Beef. Sweet niya, salt and pepper. Ano? Ito? Oo. Sapat. That's enough. Thank you. Ayan, may bago silang labas. What kind of fish is that one? Very good. Very good. Thank you. Yes, the best part. It's hard. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. All right. Let's get this. Bang! Doon ako. Wala na. Wala isda. Ito pa rin mga same na ba yung isda yan? Kasi bakit labas yung parehas lang. Malaman dito ba yun? Ay, hindi ko alam. Sarap dito. Pero ice cream din para sa mga bata. Wala nang pansin. Ollie, do you want more? Ang lambot. Ang lambot ng squid. Sarap yung chicken. Ano yan ang pa? Isa ka lang. Hindi ko yun ako. Wala na. Wala nang laman.
Mark, are you full? Are you full? Okay.
Ay, kaka yung pork. Yeah. Kuya, did you like the plum pork? Hindi, nagusto ko kaya pinay ko. Kumuha ko. Kasi plum?
Add some dessert. Add that into some dessert.
Sarap nga, wala na. Isa na lang nakuha ko. Tagal ko nang hindi na kain ko eh. Sarap yung pork at sandwich. Julina! Kakikita ka pa, be? Oo. Wow! Wow! Rich kid! Nag-retouch na siya ng lipstick, diba? Sabi ng dali, take it off. Dessert na tayo guys. Mayroon akong sticky date. Tapos, chocolate pudding. Mousse. Ano ba to? Mousse? Eh, nandiyan yung... Tapos na sila, ha? Uwi na kami. Ate, ayan, miss na miss nila ang dalaw, ang isa't isa. Ang cute nila, oh.
Go.
Sa Henley Beach na pala kami, guys. Si John, alis, may pupuntahan siya. Half an hour. Yeah. Pupuntahan niya yung friend niya. Yochi kami. Okay. That's enough now. Alright.
What toppings do you want?
Okay. There's the toppings here. Thank you. You're welcome. Go sit now here. At least may upuan. Sige, occupy nyo yan lahat. Ano? Not good. Meron silang mga ano dito. May pa-sticker. Tapos,
I love you to my family and my best friend Isla and Volcano.
you can stick it there, Baba.
I am.
Okay.
This one is not.
Then, i-stick nila dito, oh. Tapos na pala kayo dun sa Henley Beach. Nag-iwa-hiwalay na kami nila Kat kasi may work pa yun si Kat. Ito si Dan. Kasi madadaanan naman. So, i-check namin. Ito yung mga, ano guys, yung mga nightclub dito sa Adelaide. Hindley Street. Ayan, ang dami dyan. Tapos marami kami nakikita mga lasing na babae na nagsasayawan. Yeah, so pupunta kami dyan. Check lang daw namin. Tapos sabi ni Jen, nakapunta na raw siya dito noon din, mga kabataan niya. Tapos somewhere dito daw sila nagstay. May hotel daw dyan. What's the name of the hotel, Han?
Not sure what it was called back then. It's changed now.
It changed lang. Tagal na kasi nung guys. Nung binata pa siya noon. Ayan, tingnan natin. Oh my God, look at that. It's traffic. Henley Street. Oh, ayan, Henley.
Look.
Yeah, tingnan nyo. Oh, tingnan yung mga tao, guys. Andyan lang sila. They're not in the club now, Han. They're outside partying. Oh, tingnan, look.
Rock.
Oh, ayan, mga
Crazy Horse Strip Club here.
strip club. They do have. Meron daw ditong strip club. You went into, Han?
Huh?
Did you go in?
Nah.
No?
Listen to this car.
I know. Rinig nyo yan? Sasakyan, guys. Oh, diba? Sinara ni dyan yung ano. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
Look at them. Malamig pero hindi nila nararamdaman ang lamig. Ito pala, isa to sa nabili ni Jan na jacket. Nagamit niya kasi ang lamig sa labas, guys. Alam niyo naman to si Jan, hindi to ma-jacket pag kaya niya yung lamig. Ngayon talaga sobrang lamig. Pero yung mga nagpa-party, mga naka ano. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Mga naka backless. Doon pa, oh. Look at the boys, drunk. Look at him. Lasing na sila, guys. Oh, look, he can't even walk on. Babe, this one, look.
Mom, don't.
Sabi ko, Mom, don't film na. Ah, there's a policeman, look.
Someone's been knocked down.
Ma, may ano na, oh, may nadismayo na or nag-collapse. Nakabike silang ambulance kasi hindi.
Yeah, maybe now
Wait,
we
slow
know
down,
where all
Han.
the ambulance go.
Ayan, oh. Ah, yeah, nasa street.
Look at
Ayun,
this.
look.
Big mate.
Oh my God. Oh, ayan, ang ambulance, oh. Nararamdaman na ano. Ano kaya nangyari? Look at this one, this side too.
Why would you want to line up for that long?
Because it's,
Like, it'd be shit
whew.
inside.
You said you went there back
It's
then.
never like this.
But still, look at that.
Wow, yeah.
Feels like New York City. No, not New York City is more busier than this. But
So it's packed?
do you think Boys Wonder you will be here? No. No. Very good. Nah.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.